We've chatted about this before when I was talking about how to work out ideas for your marketing. But video marketing is one of the cheapest and most effective ways to market your business. Now, at the moment, I'm standing in front of a wall in my boardroom. I'm using my phone, I'm having a chat. It's not a beautiful production, but guess what? It's me, it's real, it's authentic. I could spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on going to a studio. In fact, when we recorded our bookkeeping training, we used a studio to do that, and it was worth probably about $10,000 or $15,000. I could get a videographer in and make absolutely beautiful shots of these videos that I'm doing. But I've made the decision that for me and my business, being able to be real and authentic, and you can see my flyaway hair or whatever it happens to be, people get to know me. That's not to say that it's not the right thing for your business. It's up to you to choose what the best way of doing it is. But whatever it is, you need to get video out there. People are watching TikTok, people are watching Instagram Reels, they're watching Facebook Reels. And if you're not on there, they're not going to see you. And if they don't see you, they don't get to know you. They don't get to trust you. They don't get to like you. They don't get to buy from you. You need to be out there. It's as simple as that. And don't sit there and look and go, oh no, my demographic doesn't use social media. Well, guess what? One of the biggest demographics of using Facebook is 45 to 85-year-old women. So it's everywhere. Believe me, you've got to be out there. You've got to be out there in video. And if you've got something that's a little bit quirky and a little bit different, you're going to get heaps and heaps of comments. God, I put a reel up of my kids dancing in Fiji 12 months ago with some fire dancers. I mean, the fire dancers had no clothes on, they're pretty hot. But the reality is it had 4,500 views of my kids dancing with some fire guys. You've got to be there. You've got to be on social media, and you have to have video. Whether it be an epic production or whether it be you standing in front of your phone and having a chat, you've got to be out there.